this book is very important. This book contains the perfect text which is needed in the ICSE boards. Hello everyone, I am Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So today we'll start a new topic of ICSE class 10th for ICSE class 10th student, which is Merchant of Venice, which is very important and students find it very difficult to understand the Elizabethan English or the Old English which Shakespeare used in his play. So today we'll know about this. So first of all, Merchant of Venice is written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare wrote it and it is a play containing lots of scenes. There are many plays written by William Shakespeare which you will find in your further classes 11th 12th. So this Merchant of Venice, you can see William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice, edited by Xavier Pinto. Xavier Pinto, MA It is Morning Star publication, and it is the same book which is provided by the school. So this book is very important as this book contains the perfect text which is needed in the ICSE board exams. So this is we can refer to this book for the main textual knowledge of Merchant of Venice which is needed in ICSE boards. So after this book we have the workbook of Merchant of Venice. Workbook, Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice workbook, which is provided by school, and editor is Pamela Pinto and Xavier Pinto. These two have written this, and Morning Star publication. This is also Morning Star publication. These two books are very important for the ICSE students who are in class 10th. So after this we have here, which I think it is an important book. This is Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice, edited by Xavier Pinto. This book, you can see, edited by Xavier Pinto, and this is what we can say. This is a text with paraphrase, means it explains the whole play in simple English. The play is written in Old English, which is very difficult for students to understand. So it is written in simple English, which is very necessary to know. So this is the book. You can see, you can find easily in the market. So these three books are important. So first of all, we open this one, Merchant of Venice book. So at the fifth page number 5, we can see what the whole play contains. So we can see the exposition to the scene. Second, a test of fortune. Third, the Bond story. Fourth, Jessica's deceit. Fifth, choice of casket. Sixth, the trial scene, which is very important scene in this Merchant of Venice. And at last we have happy ending. At page number 7, we have theme in the play. First, love. Second, friendship and loyalty. Third, love of wealth. After this, we have justice and mercy, and after this, appearance and reality. So, title of the play. Why? Title of the play is Merchant of Venice, in whose name the title of the play is Merchant of Venice. Can you say it? It's in the name of Antonio, a rich merchant who is merchant who lives in Venice. So around him the story moves. So for that reason, the play is named Merchant of Venice. After this, what we have romantic comedy, romantic setting, use of prose, and important characters in the play. Who are our important characters in the play? Antonio first, in whose name the play is there. Antonio, Bassanio, who is his friend. Bassanio, Portia, a rich heiress of Belmont, and Shylock, Jessica's father, and a Jew who hates Christians, Nerissa Graciano, Jessica Lorenzo, and Lancelot Gogo. These are the characters which are important. After this, we start with Merchant of Venice. Here it is Act 1, Scene 1. It is divided into three parts: Act 1, Scene 1, Scene 2, and Scene 3. Here, characters in the play. You can see characters in the play. Page number 20. After this, what we have, we open our second book. Now, how to read the book? First, we should see that what all things are present in the book. Here it is written textbook notes and text and paraphrase. Means textbook notes means if you open Act 1, Scene 1, the plot development means what story, plot development, what story is all about, it explains about the story. After this, characterization, mood of Antonio, melancholic mood, and what Bassanio says at this, and others, what his friends say on that. So all about this, and there are many biblical references and Greek mythology. We say it Greek mythology and biblical references which are used in this Merchant of Venice play. So it is important as it is asked in ICSE question paper. So you should study on that topic also. After this, what we have the questions to solve. There is paragraph written, and on that paragraph or from the above lines of paragraph or from below, the questions are asked, and generally it is there in this ICSE boards. The board asks the question just from above the paragraph or below the paragraph. The paragraph is given, and students should know what is there in the text and what is written there. So it is very important. After this, what we have the third book which I have shown you, Merchant of Venice. So in this, we start from our Act 1, Scene 1. In sooth, I know not why I am so sad. It worries me, you say it worries you. What it means? Truly, I don't know why I feel so sad. Antonio says that he does not know why he is feeling so sad. That thing only Shakespeare has written it as in sooth I know not. In sooth I know not. Truly I don't know why I am sad. So the translation is there present. You can find this book easily in the market, and video lectures are there on my channel. So on this Merchant of Venice, videos will come in short interval of time. So these things will help you in your board exams, which are very close. So you should start preparing for your board exams, as now there is less time left. So that's all. I would, what I can do is that I can just appreciate you and I can say best of luck to you all, that you all perform well in your board exams. So this was the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, so share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.